Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust video speed and playback in VN Video Editor. So adjusting video speed and playback in VN is pretty easy and it can be done in a few steps. So through this video, I'm going to show you step by steps to do it. So the first method, if you want to adjust speed for the entire video, so let's just open the videos that you want to edit. Okay, you can just choose a video. Okay, so for example, in here, I'm going to just use this videos right here. You can tap on next. And here, after you open the video, you can just select the video on a timeline, and then here find the speed button from the bottom toolbar. This one's right here, click on it, and then you can just choose a speed mode. So you can go with regular, so you can adjust the slider to speed up or slow down the entire clip. If you want to slow down, just swipe to the right. If you want to make it faster, swipe to the left, like this. And there's also there's also this curve. So for the curve, this is the advanced speed adjustment. You can do speed ramping using this. You can just choose which one that you want to use and then tap on the check icon to confirm. And the second method, if you want to use speed curve, I'm going to show you how. You can click on the video again and tap on speed. And now you can just choose a preset. There will be this montage, hero time, bullet time, jump cut, fast in, and phase out. So you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to go with the montage. You can click on the preset again to adjust it manually. So you can adjust the keyframes to control where the speed changes. You can add another keyframe if you want to by swipe the playpad to the where you want to add a keyframe and tap on the plus icon at the top, and here you can adjust the keyframe to how you like it. You can tap on check and save your speed adjustment. And the third, if you want to adjust the playback speed for a specific section, so if you only want to change the speed of a part of a clip, I'm going to undo it first. So you can just split the clip at the point where you want the speed change. Click on the clip and then tap on split. And then here you can select the split section and tap on speed again and apply different settings for different parts of the video. For example, I'm going to just change it to make it slow, just like this. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.